I am starting the third part, Pillar of Prout. Third is the social cycle. Prout provides a theory of macrohistory and future. There are 4 stages of history and 4 ways of knowing: the worker, the warrior, the intellectual and the merchant. History is cyclical. However, we are not doomed to the cycle. There is a way out. At the center of the cycle, argues Sarkar, are Sadvipras, ethical and transparent leaders, who can access these 4 potentials and ensure that the cycle becomes progressive, that each wave of change continues the rotation of the cycle but at ever higher and ever more progressive levels. Fourth is governance. Prout works in a world governance structure. It imagines a federalist world system and seeks to create global, social movements that challenge the current capitalist world economy. Beside the democratic system are parallel Sadvipra policy boards that inform and guide. Prout seeks to reconcile the 2 grand traditions in political theory: democracy and wisdom. Fifth is the socio-economic system. Prout challenges the current corporatist model, focusing instead on the cooperative model, along with private small-scale enterprises and state-run public utilities. A Proutist society provides a safety net with incentives for innovation. Wealth increases are linked to so that the minimum rises with the maximum. This ensures we do not have a situation like today where the richest 62 people are worth as much as the poorest 3.5 billion, as reported by the 2015 Oxfam International Report. Productivity increases, indeed even inequity, should benefit all instead of the few. Productivity is increased through 1. Enhanced equity, 2. Enhanced innovation through new material and social technologies, and 3. Decreased wastage of physical and material resources, as with the emerging sharing economy. Prout seeks a third way, progressing beyond communist and capitalist models of ownership and resolving the dichotomy of global and local. In this schema, economic units are in the first place local but, of course, become increasingly global. Increasing flows of capital, labor, technology and ideas once the equity and dignity of local environmental and employment concerns are achieved. The modern world has died. We are in the midst of the postmodern. The era of multiplicity. Working with innovative movements all over the world, Prout provides the epistemology,